Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking Mercedes. It's the CLA estate. It's got a high level of specification. It's absolutely gorgeous, pure metallic black, front park distance control, upgraded multi-spoke alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, twin exhaust. It's a 220d. It's a proper full Merc engine in it. You can see that it's not even been polished, this hasn't. It has just arrived, but paint's still popping on it. It's going to be mopped and polished, serviced and MOT'd. Really is a good looking car. Full AMG body styling, electric tailgate, parcel shelf, all looked after. Got the half leather Alcantara trim inside with the red stitch piping, electric windows, electric mirrors, seats are all in lovely condition. It's got auto headlights, 94,068 miles. Got paddle shift on the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel. Let's try the aircon. Satellite navigation. Screen doesn't flash, that's just a shutter speed on here. Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, check front and rear parking sensors, centre armrest with USBs. So yeah, it's in lovely condition. At DJH provide full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.